You're watching Whiskey Dents, and you're late. What else is new? Anyways, today we're going to be making a custom center console out of repurposed materials. Basically, it's just an old toolbox. So let's do it. Here he comes. What a beaut. All right, we got our Kennedy toolbox. I bought it from a guy named Josh quite some time ago. I think I paid 20 bucks for it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a hole right there. It's about the size of a pop. And then I expanded this one just a little bit so you could get a coffee cup in there, or, a mug or whatever. And then we have a coin tray that I'm gonna weld right in there, or whatever else you want to throw in. Plus the USB charger. And I plan on drilling holes in the corners or somewhere, and then probably along the top of these. And I'll have some lights inside so that when you get in, you can see what you're doing if you're driving at night. It's gonna be sweet. I've never seen one like it, so I hope you guys enjoy today's episode. Let's go. Okay, so I have to run into the house quick because every single one of my Sharpies are in my nightstand. Because you gotta leave them in your pocket, right? So let's go get them. It is beautiful outside. We are going to get the F600 today, so that's exciting. My brother Jeff's coming. We're gonna drive it home. It's 380,160 feet. So we'll see how long that takes. All right, so this is actually going to be an extremely simple project. I set this on here. You see how the box actually sits over this little piece. I'm going to just cut along this edge so it keeps a little bit of the structural rigidity. And just going to hole drill these, weld them on, and then we'll drill a few holes and put our hardware in there and whatever else. This isn't going to take long at all. It's simple. You can take it wherever you want and throw it in just about any vehicle. So let me cut these quick. That's all right. So anyways, this is thin enough so that I can cut it with some tin snips. Midwest is the best snips you can get. These are not Midwest. They are absolute junk, and they'll pinch your fat fingers and hands. So anyways, this is what we're doing.
Chris?
Jeff?
Howdy, howdy.
Welcome, Jeff, to the channel.
My voice is hoarse today, so don't mind me.
Yeah, he's a little hoarse. Anyways, we are taking off to go get the F600, so we'll be back to this project soon. That is a custom center console. A larger cup holder, tray for your change. I'm going to put a USB charger that's sticking up like right here, and then I'm going to light it underneath so that you can see your holders. One of a kind, and it's portable. So let's get after it.
Badass.
So I have all my holes cut out, got all the edges cleaned up. I'm going to tack weld these in a few spots. I'm not going to weld them all the way through because I want this original paint to still stay on there. But we are going to have to hand file some of this just a little bit after we get everything welded in there and whatever else. So on to the next step. It's looking good so far, so I will be right back. All right, I got all these tacked in. I did burn some of the paint, but that's all right. The plan is that we're going to get some vinegar and water and spray it on there so it gets a rust color to it. Next, what we're going to do is, being that you don't want your beverage to fall through, I figured since we're on the theme of repurposing stuff, I just weld this old Sawzall blade on there. Why not? Plus, when I put the lights inside of it, it'll help you so you can see your drinks a little better. So, what do you guys think? Why not? I hope you like this classic car revivals. All right, I got everything installed. I still need to find some vinegar or some brown paint or something to soften these edges up a little bit so it don't look so rough. But yeah, I don't think it looks too bad. I'm gonna go find an outlet and plug it in, see what the lights look like. So, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty sweet. You don't see them every day. All right, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's going to be the perfect amount of light in there. I like it. Maybe just a little bit too big, but oh well. All right, so this is Lomax. This afternoon I will have a video of the first wash and bringing it home and whatever else, but there's our center console slash, homemade whatever. Something different. Probably could have been a little bit smaller, but if you got bucket seats, I think if you could wedge it between them, it'd be about perfect. So, anyways. Well, that's going to do it for this week's episode. Tune in later on this afternoon. I'm going to have the F600 video ready. We went and got it and drove it all the way home. 380,162 feet. So it made it. Absolutely no brakes whatsoever. We're going to turn this one into a pickup. So we already started on the box. We need to remove this. But I don't know if you can see this or not, but we've already started on our dually box. So don't forget to check out Classic Car Revivals, High Oktane Garage with a K, Hodgepodge Dodge Garage, Tanner Rebuilds, 1776 Garage, Half Moon Customs. Who else? I just started watching this one, but I can't think of his name. He's working on a 55 Chevy pickup. Well, actually two of them. And the build is awesome. But let me look it up quick, and then I guess I'll throw it in the bonus material. So, bye. Y'all come back now, you hear? Oh, you guys are still here? His channel is the Shady Tree Mechanic 88. But I think you might have to look up Matt Cameron, I believe is what it is. His thumbnails are all like a off-white Chevy 55, sitting low, looking mean. So anyways, don't forget to check out my next video this afternoon when we get that old girl clean. Glenn from 1776 Garage is coming over to grab that exhaust manifold that I welded for him. So you guys have a great day. Get out in the garage and do something. Bye.